Hi, this is Jason with SmartEd, distributor for Promethean interactive panels in Japan. This is a titanium 70-inch model interactive panel. All of the interactive panels have Android operating system installed on the board already. So there's various ways you can use the board. You can either connect a computer or another device to the board, or you can use it with just the Android operating system. So let's look at some of the different ways you can use the board. If you've used an interactive board in the past, you've probably used it with your computer. So from the menu bar here, you'll see the source button here. So you can see I have two different sources plugged in by HDMI right here. HDMI 3 is my computer. So if I click on HDMI 3, I should see my computer's desktop here. I have my computer connected with two cables. There's a HDMI cable here, which carries the video and the sound signal. And I have a USB cable here, which carries the touch signal. So that means if I touch the board, I can control my computer from the board here. And I can use my computer and anything on my computer directly from the board here. So it's the same as using my computer. So anything I have on here, I can access. I've already gone to the Kids A to Z site. This is Raz Plus. I have it loaded up already in Chrome. So I can go to, for example, my account here and go to my reading and show my books on the screen here. So this is something that you may have already done if you've used an interactive board in the past. I can also connect an iPad to the screen. So if I go back to the source here, my iPad is on HDMI 2. So if I click HDMI 2, now I can have my iPad screen on the panel here. The difference between the iPad and the computer is that with an iOS device, you do not have the option of touching the panel and controlling your device. So you'll have to control it from the iPad here. But I have the same app that we just saw, Kids A to Z, and I can access the same contents that we just accessed before. The last way you can access content is by using the Android operating system, which is already installed on the board. So if I can go back to my home screen here, and then if I open up the locker, which is the top button here, then you'll see I have a lot of apps already installed here on the board, including Adobe Acrobat and Chrome. And you can see I have the Kids A to Z app here. So I can open that up, and I can open up the same content that we just saw. So this is my account. And I go to the reading, and I can go into the reading room. So as you can see, you can do the same thing that you can do with your computer, except you don't need a computer, you don't need an iPad, you don't need anything connected to it. You can do everything directly from the Android operating system here. With the titanium model, the titanium has 4 gigabytes of RAM memory, so that's operating the operating system. And it has 64 gigabytes of storage on it. So all of these apps that you see here, both apps and files, you have 64 gigabytes that you can use to put these apps on the titanium model. For the nickel has 2 gigabytes of RAM for the operating system, and it has 16 gigabytes of 16 gigabytes of storage for the apps and for your files.